Meaning of inclination.
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 Inclination. The word inclination typically refers to a tendency or predisposition towards a particular action, attitude, or belief. It can also refer to the angle at which something slopes or leans. In broader contexts, it may be used to describe a person's overall disposition or orientation towards life, such as their interests and values. An inclination can be both positive or negative, indicating either a favorable or unfavorable tendency or attitude towards something. Overall, the term encompasses a range of different meanings and nuances depending on the context in which it is used.